What's up, y'all? Ces coming back with another one. So what I do is I host on Twitch. It's a freestyle improv beat making platform. So if you guys want to check that out, that's at twitch.tv/Scessions. But what we're gonna do is get started on different transitions. So what you can do is make different transitions like that, where you're using videos with green screens or anything that you can take out with the color on the using the gamma, or not gamma, I'm sorry, but when you go to put the filter on there, let me just show you on this real quick. All right, so on here, when you go to pull this up. All right, so if you go to YouTube and you put in, let's go, the history. Green screen videos, boom. So you got these type of videos that you can take and play them and put them in as a green screen under chroma key filter. You put a chroma key filter on there, and then that's going to take the background and basically just show the video portion of it. So as you had just seen what I was just doing, that's what that is that noise. It comes with the video, so it's actually an easy tip that, hopefully, you go through and investigate on how to do cool things, but that's why they make it out there. There's a lot of free ones, and it's cool just to have transitions to switch. Now you can make stingers if you have Adobe After Effects, and then learn how to do it step by step on each movement, so it's really just a simple animation, just all the little bits and pieces put together. But, if you want to make it easy, just take a snippet of a video like I did with that sidetrackt that you just seen. Was 3 different programs of taking an image and moving it in, and just being crafty and resourceful. Figure out different ways to make transitions, stingers, or just using green screens. Another thing is stream markers, where you can mark the part of the video by using another program, or going in like the dashboard under the top right portion of your name on. Let me just show you that as well. On Twitch, when you go to, if you go to Twitch, and up here on your top right hand side where your name is, you can't see it that good over here because alright, so under here there's video, and then video producer, your channel, which you can view just like I am on it right here, and then creator dashboard. So when you're on the creator dashboard, you can use these different elements on the side, like rating somebody, edit the stream info. This is sort of where you're at when you're watching yourself. You can mute yourself. If you see right here, mute yourself. That way, obviously, you don't hear it. This shows your followers on the left-hand side right here. Let me put this on. All right, you can see it. All right, just on the left side right here. This is all the stream elements you can use, but what I was talking about was using a stream marker right here, which isn't highlighted, but the one that's grayed out under raid channel, add stream marker, will let you go back and view a video that you might have wanted to take note of and highlight, so definitely do that as well. And then, like I'd mentioned in the other video, if you want to see, a link to it is up here, and what you want to do is check that out when it comes to making highlights and just simple tips that I throw out there, just from what I've learned from on my mission since last year, 2019. So another step I'd say is detrimental with viewership, as well as just being there for other people and keeping it engaging, is having a mod, whether it's a bot or somebody that can tune in when you're going live. Is definitely have a mod, and then as well, sorry about that, let me take that off, because that's one thing when you're using those video transitions, make sure you turn them off. You can set it to loop, where it'll keep playing that same transition if it looks good and it doesn't glitch when you go to loop, or you could just set it to one time and take the loop mode off, and that'll just allow you to play it once and then it won't recur. But when you come back to that channel or the scene, when you come back to that scene, that source is going to play automatically, so be wary of that, just like I did. So that was part of the training. But anyways, so yeah, get some mods on your team because you want them there for your support whenever you go live. You could be like, hey, can you tune in for a little bit until I get some, discoverability? Like I mentioned on my other videos, don't ever stream for 0 people. Get somebody to watch, a friend or maybe 2, and then once you get going, they can leave. And then it gets going and get some people watching that might not have discovered it if you weren't up there in 2 or 3 viewers, 5 viewers. And then the last thing, try different things. Try different programs from, OBS to Streamlabs to the other ones. They have them underneath Twitch. Underneath, let me see here. I think it's streaming tools and extensions on the left side where the stream manager options are on the top left. Or I guess that's just, the left side menu when you're under the creator dashboard is what you would consider it, but I don't know if it's stream manager menu. But either way, just try different programs, try different ideas, different scenes, just everything. Just experiment. There's no set plan. Do, like I said, reconnaissance on somebody else's page, but don't totally copy them, and just get your idea of what you want to do with your show, and just, definitely go for it is what I say. But appreciate y'all tuning in, watching the video. Again, if you want to see me freestyle, join in with the chat. Join up, sign up for Twitch. Register your information and then go look for Cessions. It's Scessions, Scessions, and it's every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. See you guys then. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day.